Welcome to EM Tech.
Hi everyone, I'm Giddy and welcome once again to Eonasah Media Tech. And today I'm going to help you install web apps on your Chrome OS device. Yeah, got you. You thought I was wrong, man. Yeah, how to install web apps on your Chromebook or Chrome OS device. Yeah. So without wasting my time, let's get straight to the video. Which website? Amazon. Wow. Amazon. Okay, we go to Amazon, click that link over there. Yeah, click it, click it. And can we go for some shopping? Yeah, I really want this, I really want this, but bro, I'm broke. So let's just head to the three dots over there. Three dots, save and share, create shortcut. And now what we gotta do is just rename clear. Yeah, and open as window. That's very important, guys. We have to be serious here. Just click this, then boom, we just create an Amazon app so we can joke again. Yay! But wait, guys, we need to go for some shopping. What should we buy? Oh, bro, I just remembered again. I'm broke. Yeah, we go for shopping one day. Yeah, so